Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making sorrel pineapple glazed ham. This is going to be so delicious and festive. Your guests will thoroughly enjoy this recipe and so will you. So let's just jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. So to start this recipe, I like to poach the ham for a little bit. Adding it to warm water really helps to get rid of the preservatives that's on the outside of the ham. So I always do this step and I'll just baste it with that warm water for about 10 minutes. I don't want to boil it too vigorously because it can dry out the ham. So once you've done this for all sides and you've given it a good wash, we're going to go ahead and drain it and set aside. Today I'm using this roaster pan from the Hefty range of products. This comes with a built-in rack which makes life so much easier. And I placed my ham in that and I'm going to score the outside of the ham. You want to add those cuts so that the pineapple and sorrel flavor gets into the ham. Now you're going to do this on both sides of the ham. And then we're going to stick in some cloves. Now once you put your cloves, make sure it's throughout the entire ham. Now let's make our glaze. So I'm using some pineapple preserves or pineapple jam you can use with some sorrel concentrate. Now I'm making 2 batches. This is going to be the first batch for the first glaze. I'm adding in my sorrel concentrate and all you have to do is just mix both of the ingredients until it's well combined. I'm not adding any sugar because that pineapple is already sweet. So once you mix it in really well, next pour it over your ham. And you're going to pour it over your ham and make sure that it's coated throughout. The entire ham is coated well. So once you've done that, make sure spread it well. We're going to take our diamond non-stick foil. This new non-stick technology is so perfect. We're going to place it with the matte side facing down. That's the non-stick side. And I'm doing this so the ham doesn't dry out. It actually holds the glaze into place. So once you've placed the foil on it, the next step is placing it into your oven, or I'm using my big green egg today. So I'm gonna place this in. See how sturdy that foil pan is? You don't need any additional help to hold the bottom of the pan. We're gonna close it and we're going to baste it every 30 minutes. So after the first 30 minutes, I'm just going to go in, remove the foil. Be very careful because the foil can be hot. And now I'm adding some more of that glaze. Now adding additional glaze is totally optional, but trust me, you are going to love it. And we're just going to baste it every 30 minutes and I allowed my ham to bake for 2 hours. So I'm going to cover and continue to do that every 30 minutes until it's done. And this is what it would look like. You see how the cuts have opened up and the glaze would have gone in there and flavored that ham. So all you have to do is allow it to rest and allow it to come to room temperature a little before you can cut into it. You want to retain the juices and that moisture inside of the ham. So once that happens, now you can go ahead and slice into the ham. The first pieces, of course, will come out very small because we made those cuts. But as you get deeper into the ham, you'll see how nice and juicy it is. And the drippings and the glaze, you can use it to reheat your ham and it adds additional flavor. How easy, simple and delicious was this? This smells heavenly. I wish you guys can smell it. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It actually was my favorite Out of all the ways that I make ham, I really thoroughly enjoyed the sorrel and pineapple glaze. See how nice and moist it still is? So guys, remember to try the Diamond and Hefty range of products this Christmas season to make cooking and baking a breeze. Pick up all of your products at your local supermarkets throughout Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do remember to have a safe holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!